Welcome to Mastering Mindfulness. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the essence of mindfulness and offer practical techniques to help you achieve inner peace in your daily life. Mindfulness involves being present in the moment. Fully aware and non-judgmental of your thoughts, emotions, and surroundings. Regular mindfulness practice promotes mental clarity, emotional balance, stress reduction, improved focus, and enhanced overall well-being. Understanding present moment awareness. Learn the art of focusing on the present moment. Allowing yourself to experience life fully without dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. Embrace non-judgmental observation of your thoughts and emotions. Acknowledging them without labeling them as good or bad. Develop an attitude of acceptance towards yourself and your experiences. Fostering compassion and kindness towards yourself and others. Practice various breathing techniques to anchor yourself in the present moment and calm the mind. Engage in a body scan meditation to bring awareness to bodily sensations. Promoting relaxation and release of tension. Explore mindful walking and movement exercises to connect with your body and surroundings while staying present. Discover how to infuse mindfulness into routine activities such as eating, cleaning, commuting, making them opportunities for mindfulness practice. Learn techniques to manage distractions and refocus your attention during mindfulness sessions. Understand and overcome resistance that may arise during the practice of mindfulness. Embracing the process without judgment. Discover tips for sustaining a regular mindfulness practice despite the challenges of a busy life. Explore how mindful communication enhances relationships and fosters understanding and empathy. Learn techniques to stay mindful during challenging moments, promoting calmness and resilience. Understand the connection between gratitude and mindfulness. Incorporating gratitude practices into your daily routine. Remember that mindfulness is a lifelong journey. Embrace these techniques and practices. And may they guide you towards lasting inner peace and contentment.